In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair a corrupt video file using VLC Media Player. We've all been there, capturing a memorable moment only to find out later that the video file has been corrupted. Thankfully, VLC offers a simple and efficient method for attempting to recover these files. And the good news? It only takes about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First things first. You need to ensure that your corrupted file is in the AVI format. If it's not, don't worry. You can use various online converters to change your file into AVI format, as VLC handles these files best for this kind of repair. Once you've confirmed that the file type is correct, launch your VLC Media Player. If you haven't already installed it, you can easily download it from the official VLC website. With VLC open, navigate to the Media menu at the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down, select Convert/Save. This option will allow us to load the corrupted file into the program. In the window that opens, you'll see an Add button. Click on it to select and add your corrupted video file. Make sure this is the file you want to repair. Then click on Convert/Save again. Now that we've got the file loaded, it's time to choose a destination for the newly converted file. This is crucial, as it ensures you have a backup of the repaired video. In the Profile drop-down menu on this same window, it's wise to select a commonly used codec, like H.264 MP4. This format tends to maintain good quality and offers broad compatibility with various devices and platforms. Once everything is set, click Start to begin re-encoding your file. After the conversion process is complete, you'll want to verify the new video file for any remaining corruption issues. Simply try to play the converted video in VLC to see if it runs smoothly. If it plays without any problems, it means the repair was successful. But just in case, let's tweak a few VLC settings to better manage potential issues with future AVI files. Reopen VLC Media Player, and this time go to Tools, and then select Preferences. In the window that appears, look for the Input or Codecs section on the left. Here, you'll find an option labeled Damaged or Incomplete AVI File. This setting is related to how VLC handles read errors in AVI files. From the adjacent drop-down menu, choose Always Fix. This tells VLC to automatically attempt fixing any issues it detects when opening AVI files. After you've set this preference, remember to click Save, and then restart VLC to apply the changes. From now on, VLC will attempt to fix any AVI file issues as they arise, helping you safeguard your important videos. And there you have it, a quick guide to repairing a corrupt video file using VLC Media Player. I hope this tutorial helps you recover those precious memories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.